Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review by viewer request. This one is called Sadie by Amore, and the color on Sadie today is creamy blonde. I picked creamy blonde to review this wig in because I figured it's kind of an edgy looking blonde color. It's a very, very pretty platinum blend. It has a little bit of ash platinum blended with a little bit of gold based platinum, similar to a 613, all kind of mishmash together. So that way it's very pale, but doesn't look gray. So it's a very, very beautiful, light sort of towhead blonde. So let me go ahead and do the 360 so that way you can see what Sadie looks like on all sides. You can see when I turn to the side here that Sadie has a very, very sharp gradient here, but is quite thick here in the front. And when I turn around, you'll see that she's very stacked in the back. I think this is a really cool wig, and I think that the color with this wig is just a really nice combination. Because like I said, I thought maybe I'll do kind of like a black color with this, but then I thought, you know, that's been done. Let's go really high fashion blonde. And creamy blonde is very, very close to that. You can see like it's got a little bit of the gold in it, but it's mostly that ashy platinum color. Very, very pretty color. Now I'm going to go ahead and take Sadie off so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Now it's 90 degrees out today, so Sadie is a little warm, and the reason why she's so warm is because she's got this luscious double monofilament top. That double layer of monofilament really traps the heat, so just be warned. You know, it's very smooth, it's very comfortable, it's great for sensitive scalps, but it does trap heat. The back of the wig is relatively stretchy. The perimeters are also relatively stretchy. They can be adjusted kind of like a bra strap here in the back. You don't have really much of an extended nape back here, but it's not completely straight across. You got a little bit extra material there. There isn't any felt back here, by the way. None of the Amore wigs have that, with the exception of the Melange collection and maybe a couple of their human hair wigs. Very short nape here. And the front has this generous strip of polyurethane that you can use to attach adhesive, just in case you need a little bit of extra security up at the front. There is no lace front on this or any other regular Amore wig. The wigs from the Melange collection have lace fronts, as do some of their human hair selections. Up front, you can see what I mean. You can see that sort of ashier platinum up against that 613, which was like a gold-based baby blonde platinum. I'm stuttering for some reason, but you can see it's a beautiful, beautiful color, and it is dynamic, even though it is very, very light. So I'm going to go ahead and put Sadie back on for you, and it's just as easy as that. She's short enough that you can just smooth her down with your fingers most of the time, and if in doubt, just carry a wide tooth comb in your purse and you'll be great. So this is the Sadie in Creamy Blonde by Amore. Thanks for watching. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. If you get a chance, check out my website, and until next time, have a great night. Bye-bye.